Thick fog, no runway in sight. How do planes land without seeing a thing? It's called a Category 3 Autoland system. Using radio signals from the runway and onboard computers, the plane can land itself, with almost no help from the pilot. This system includes an instrument landing system, ILS, autopilot, and radar altimeters. It guides the aircraft to the ground with pinpoint precision. Even the brakes and reverse thrust can activate automatically. Some airports and planes are fully certified for zero visibility landings. Pilots are trained to monitor everything, but the tech can do the landing if needed. It's one of the safest systems in modern aviation. Next, ever notice a strange bump on top of some planes? It's not a mistake, it's keeping you connected.